ทองคำและบิตคอยน์ทำสถิติสูงสุดท่ามกลางการปิดรัฐบาลสหรัฐ
Global financial markets are witnessing a surge in safe haven assets as gold and Bitcoin reach unprecedented levels amid the ongoing U.S. government shutdown. On October 7, 2025, gold prices hit a record high, approaching the $4,000 per ounce milestone, while Bitcoin surged past $125,000, reflecting strong investor demand for alternative assets during a period of political and economic uncertainty. The surge in both assets underscores heightened investor caution and the search for stability as fiscal and monetary developments unfold. The U.S. government shutdown, which began on October 1, 2025, has entered its seventh day, delaying the release of key economic indicators and heightening uncertainty in financial markets. Investors are increasingly relying on non-governmental data and market signals to gauge economic conditions and the potential actions of the Federal Reserve. This political gridlock has intensified demand for non-yielding assets, such as gold, which historically perform well during periods of economic and political uncertainty. Concurrently, Bitcoin has emerged as a perceived safe haven asset, attracting growing investor attention and institutional adoption. Gold extended its record-breaking rally on October 7, 2025, hovering just $22 shy of the $4,000 per ounce mark. Spot gold was trading at $3,978.01 per ounce after reaching an all-time high of $3,985.48 earlier in the session. U.S. gold futures for December delivery rose to $4,090, breaching the $4,000 milestone for the first time. Analysts attribute the surge to a combination of safe haven demand, expectations of Federal Reserve rate cuts, continued central bank purchases, and inflows into gold exchange-traded funds. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's price surpassed $125,000, marking a record rally fueled by options positioning and investor confidence in the cryptocurrency as a reliable store of value amid the U.S. shutdown. Experts highlight that the ongoing safe haven flows are partly driven by the unresolved government shutdown. Peter Grant, vice president and senior metal strategist at Xander Metals, noted that there is a pretty decent bid in gold due to persistent uncertainty. Market participants are pricing in a 25 basis point cut at the Federal Reserve's upcoming meeting in October, with additional reductions anticipated in December. Furthermore, geopolitical developments in Europe and Asia, coupled with continued gold purchases by central banks, such as China, have reinforced bullish sentiment in precious metals markets. Bitcoin's rally indicates that investors are diversifying into digital assets as an alternative hedge against systemic risk. The record highs in gold and Bitcoin signal strong investor demand for safe haven assets amid ongoing fiscal and political uncertainties. Analysts suggest that continued government gridlock and expectations of accommodative monetary policy may sustain upward pressure on these markets. For gold, December futures may test new milestones beyond $4,000, while Bitcoin could continue to attract speculative interest and institutional adoption. Investors are advised to monitor the evolving situation closely as the combination of U.S. political events, global central bank activity, and market sentiment will likely influence the trajectory of safe haven asset prices in the coming weeks.